Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I have a small haul and I thought I'd come on and show you that way and get it all put up. I went to Dollar General and I also went to Hobby Lobby. So let me share what I found. So over at Dollar General, I don't know if you saw the other day I did a haul from Dollar General, and I'm doing my Christmas this year in plaid. And this is the same plaid that's on the stockings that I bought. So I thought I'd go ahead and pick this up. I like it because plaid on one side and it's red on the other. It is, let's see, 13 by 68, which is fine for me. And it was $6. So I thought that was a pretty good buy. Now, what I'm really excited about finding are two paintings. And let me show this to you. And I saw these, they actually came out a couple of weeks ago. Been keeping my eye on them because I wanted them and I thought I don't need them and I thought I wanted them. So I went ahead and bought them. And they only had two left. So if you're interested in finding these, go check out your Dollar General. They have winter scenes. They have some beautiful paintings of Santa done in both the red and white and gold and white, and just some pretty ones. Let me show you what I found. So I just thought this was so pretty. Can you see all that? It's a snowman sitting like right out in the trees in a forest. And like I say, I've had my eye on these. And when I went, was it yesterday? They only had two left. So this was $12. I don't know how big it is. I'm going to guess, I don't know, maybe 24 by 18 something. But isn't that cute? So I went ahead and picked that up. I may go back and get one of their Santas because they're really cute. Now this one's quite large. It's also a snowman. Can you see how big this is? And there he is. He's sitting in somebody's front yard, like a little cottage. Let me see if I can move this out of the way. Let me get back. See how cute that is. I just thought it was really, really sweet. It's not showing up as nice as it really looks, but it is big. This one was $15. And I thought that was, for the size, I thought that was just a steal. Now, if you're interested, go check out your Dollar General. I asked them, the people that work at my Dollar General, if they would be getting any more back, because there was another one I really liked, a snowy scene, but they were out of it. And she said they never know what they're going to get when the trucks come. So, and I don't think they reorder things. So just what they get from the truck is all they get. So I just really love them. Then, I think that's all I found at Dollar General. I went over to Hobby Lobby, and this time with Thanksgiving in mind. Now, Halloween is Friday. That weekend, it's all going bye-bye. I'm going to get my house ready for Thanksgiving. And it'll be Christmas after that. But I'm going to do Thanksgiving first. So let me show you what I found. Okay, so they had their chargers on sale. Now, I have red ones, but this is more of a burgundy wine color. And they're just so pretty. They were on sale for $1.99. And I couldn't pass that up because the colors that I want to use for my fall tablescape are in these colors. I'll show you what I got. So I did get 6 of these, and they are like a burgundy. They're just gorgeous. So I got those. And then these are the colors that I plan on using in my tablescape. They had their velvet pumpkins on sale. I think they were $5. They're really soft. Oh, they're so soft. They're just velvety. They have this button down here. The stems are so pretty. They're twisted and golden. And yeah, they were $10.99. So they were $5.50. Everything fall is half off now at Hobby Lobby. So I got 2 of these. And the burgundy, look how pretty that looks with the chargers. So I got 2 in the burgundy, and then this gold one. And they're just luscious, aren't they? They're just, I don't know, they're so pretty. Really pretty. So I got that $5.50. And let me show you real quick. Now I had my tablecloth and my napkins. I pulled them out today. So I'm going to be using, burgundy napkins. And with it, I'm going to be using this, I don't know what color you would call this. It's kind of like it's not really gold, but these colors are gorgeous together. And you can see those right here in these pumpkins, how pretty that is going to be. Yeah, I'm trying something new this year. So I thought, I just know that this is going to look beautiful on the table. So, and I've had that tablecloth a long time. And these napkins, I think I've had for, I don't know, 15 years maybe. So I found some really pretty picks. All their picks are 50% off for fall. And all their flowers right now, their artificial flowers, are 40% off. But see how pretty that's going to look. These gold colors, just gorgeous. And they're not showing up as pretty as they really are. But I can't wait to get on this. So I got that pick. I think I got 2 of those. Yeah. I got 2 of them. This is going to be so pretty. And then they had these little picks. Let's see, how much were these picks? They were... They're, say, $4. So they're $2. They're still pricey, but they are gorgeous. And then these little picks here. The gold. It's going to be so pretty. And these are $3, so they're $1.50. Okay, sip of water here. Hope everybody's doing good. Are you ready for Halloween? And then I found these gorgeous sunflower picks. Aren't they pretty? And these were, I paid $2 each. That was the sale price, $2. Really pricey, but these will last me a long time. I got 2 of those. And I think I got the burgundy ones too. And then I've had this velvet pumpkin, and it's, I may mix and match with these. It's showing up more pink here, but it is a light burnt orange color, so I may mix that with these two. Can't wait to get started on this. So let me check this bag out. Okay, so here's the other pumpkin, the burgundy velvet. It's so gorgeous. Yeah, I've never really gone with these colors. I pretty much are always like staying with the oranges and the greens and the very traditional fall colors. Okay, then they had the little pumpkins, and they were on sale for $1.50. Kind of like a bluish green, more like a aqua color. So probably, I think I bought 2 of these, yeah. And then I'll probably mix these in. And then I had these, from the Dollar Tree, those copper colored. And I thought that would be real pretty if I mix a couple of those in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run something right down the center of my table with all these pumpkins and florals. Okay, only got a few more. And these are the long stemmed. Oh, they're gorgeous. Yeah. I didn't realize they were that big. Here's the burgundy sunflowers. Not gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be so pretty. See these colors together. It's just gonna be so pretty. Okay, so I got a couple of those. And another burgundy one. Just gorgeous. Yeah. Pretty. So I'm really excited about doing something different. So over in their floral section, these are all long stems. And this is like a kind of a burnt orange rose with some burgundy in it. It's just so pretty. These were also on sale. They were 40% off. They are pricey. They're $6.99. So take 40% off of that. They're gorgeous. So I don't know, what is that, like $4? So I think we got 2 in this color. Yeah, this one. That's so pretty. And then I got, I think, 2 in this color. The burgundy rose. Yeah, it's going to be gorgeous. And then I got just 1 green hydrangea. And these were all, that was $7.99, so 40% off. And this orange hydrangea is showing up more pink, but it's really like a burnt orange. Another one of the red ones. I don't buy flowers often. I usually get them over at Dollar Tree. But like I said, I wanted something really different this year. And these flowers, if you put them up nicely, they will last forever. So let me clear this off. So along with all these gorgeous flowers I just showed you, they're so pretty. I have a lot of like the maple leaves in all different colors. Some from, I got some at Walmart and quite a few over at Dollar Tree. And I'll have some of those mixed in too. I'm just going to try it and lay it right down the center of my table, and probably take me a little while to get everything arranged. But that's all I have for you today. And so I probably won't see you now until after Halloween. And I hope that you are all ready for those cute little trick-or-treaters to come knocking on your door. So take care, everybody. I'll see you soon. And I love you guys. Bye for now.